How to make money on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. Instagram currently doesn't have a single broad monetization program for creators. There was a Reels Play bonus program that ended in March 2023. But there's a new ads on Reels program being tested that isn't widely available yet. However, there are several ways to make money on Instagram using the platform's features. You can collaborate with brands on sponsored content. This is a popular option for influencers where you can create content featuring a brand's product or service. You can earn commission on sales you generate through affiliate links in your posts, stories, and reels. If you have at least 10,000 followers and a business or creator account, viewers can purchase badges during your live stream to support you. If you have a business or creator account, this lets your followers pay a monthly fee for exclusive content. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. No matter which method you choose, you will need to build a loyal audience and create high quality, engaging content. It's important to comply with Instagram content guidelines and monetization policies. Be transparent with your audience and disclose whenever you are sharing sponsored content or affiliate links. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.